Spondo's Video Home.
Sammy!
Hey, Pencil Dick, what's up?
Ticonderoga boy.
How you feeling?
I'm doing all right.
Oh, our little Sammy doesn't look too good, boys.
Oh, what happened? Someone hit your dick too hard?
Titanium Chomo Revolution.
No, not really.
Then tell us, Jizz Breast Mentos. What's got your peen all coiled out?
Nothing. My girlfriend broke up with me. So.
Oh,
dude. Wimpy, wimpy.
Good fucking riddance, dude. She was a penis flytrap wizard masquerader.
Yeah, now you can get all the cleanse you want.
Yeah, guys, I'm not really in the mood to talk about this.
Oh, come on, fucking lighten up.
Yeah, boy, way to cheer you up. Who needs that tuna podcast? She probably wasn't even good at blowing bubbles on your wand stick. Flick, you can better a Sliss basket than that.
Speaking of.
Oh, that is one fine piece of Caslopus.
Oh, Sammy, you gotta unfold those prosciutto flaps.
Gouda.
I told you guys, I'm really not in the mood.
Okay, look, if you want to piss and moan for the rest of your life, go the fuck ahead. But you got a golden opportunity. Dust off your balls off and get yourself off with the hottest piece of shit I've ever seen in this piss-ass park.
You know you want to bounce off that pink 16-ounce growl.
Or, you know, be a sad little beta joister for the rest of your life. Be my ghost.
Fine. I'll go talk to him.
Yeah, fuck yeah. Get it.
What? Oh! Watch him go.
Hey.
Hi.
It's a nice day today, huh?
Yeah.
Listen, I saw you from over there, and I thought you were cute, so I figured maybe if you're free sometime we could get a coffee or something.
Oh, I'm dating someone.
Oh yeah. I'm sorry to bother you.
Oh no, I'm totally flattered, but
Yeah. No, I get it. I'll let you get to it. Have a good one.
yeah, you too.
Yeah.
Sammy! What the hell fucking happened?
They're taken.
Oh, what a fucking load of horse shit.
Horsey, wee.
She's probably an equestrian whore.
Whatever. They're not interested in me.
Yeah, that's because he's a fucking calamari cock ring.
Fried and smelling like fish shit.
Fishy, poo-poo, motherfucking cock. Cocktail sauce on my open axe sores.
Yeah. Yeah.
Guys, let it go.
Sammy, you spent your whole life waiting on sluttos like those. Termagants who expect you to have a bajingo cock. Well, guess what? You don't need no stinking prosciutto like that when you got your boys here slinging goose rocks and whatnots.
Yeah, we're all you need, Sammy boy.
Come on, Smoo.
Yeah?
Yeah, come on. Let's forget about those wrinkle-pink lolly beaver sliders.
And let's a fucking party!
Party, 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 party.
Peter, pussy eater, bitch.
Yeah!
Whoa, dudes, look at the drugs I just found.
Let's take them.
Yeah!